all pregnant women in Australia will have access to a free whooping cough vaccination from July. The Turnbull government has added the vaccine to the national immunization program at a cost of $39.5 million. There are now no barriers and no excuses for not protecting yourself, your family, and the rest of the community, Health Minister Greg Hunt said on Sunday. Newborns cannot be vaccinated until 6 weeks of age, so the most effective way to protect a baby against the disease is for the mother to have the vaccine, he said. Mr. Hunt said he knows the devastating impact the disease can have on families like the McCaffrey family and the Hughes family. Catherine and Greg Hughes' son Riley died of whooping cough in 2015, while David and Tony McCaffrey lost their 4-week-old daughter Dana in 2009. Both families have campaigned for the vaccine. The government will also roll out a national public education campaign about the vaccination. Pertussis vaccine. Read full story. More health